Okay, this is Rupesh Kumar from Government Polytechnic Narayankhed. I am a contract lecturer in ECE. I deal with the subject for EEE, fourth semester, Digital Electronics 18W405C. Topic is Basics of Digital Electronics or Digital Electronics Basics. Subtopic Logic Gates, Teaching Gates, PowerPoint. Today we will learn about the logic gates. Okay. On completion of this period, you would be able to understand AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. 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 Recap. We have already discussed about Boolean laws, OR laws, AND laws, NOT laws, commutative laws, associative laws, distributive laws and abortion laws, etc. OR laws, AND laws, NOT laws, commutative laws, associative laws, distributive laws and absorption laws. Today we will learn about our new topic, logic gates. Logic gate means a digital circuit with one or more inputs but only one output is nothing but the logic gate. A digital circuit with one or more inputs but only one output is nothing but the logic gate. A digital circuit with one or more inputs but only one output is nothing but the logic gates. That is a digital circuit with one or more inputs but only one output is nothing but logic gate. It performs logical operation one or more logical inputs. It performs logical operation on one or more logical inputs and produce only single logic output. Gates are often called logic circuits. A digital circuit with one or more inputs but only one output is nothing but the logic gate. It performs logical operation on one or more logical inputs. It produces single logic output. Gates are often called logic circuits. Gates are often called logic circuits. Gates are often called logic circuits. Next, types of logic gates. Logic gates are divided into three types. First one, basic gates. Second one, universal gates. Third one, derived gates, complex gate and special gates. Okay, logic gates are divided into three types: basic gates, universal gates, derived gates, complex gates or special gates. Basic gates are again divided into three types: OR and NOT. OR and NOT. Okay. Next, universal gates are two types. They are NAND and NOR. Derived gates and complex gate or special gates are two types. That is XOR and XNOR. Once again I am repeating. Basic gates are divided into three types. First one OR, second one AND, third one NOT. Universal gates are divided into two types. They are NAND and NOR. Special gates are divided into two types. That is XOR and XNOR. Logic gates are divided into three kinds. First one, basic gates, universal gates, derived gates or complex gate or special gates. Basic gates are again divided into three types. That is OR and NOT. Universal gates NAND NOR. Special gates XOR XNOR. XOR XNOT. Okay, now we are dealing with the subject that is basic gates, that is OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. Okay. Next, base binary as a voltage. That is voltages are used to represent logic values. That is voltages are used to represent logic values. That is a voltage present called VCC or VDD that equal to 1. 0 volts or ground. Where voltage doesn't absent means or 0 volts or ground is called 0. That is GND or VSS. Okay, it equal to 0. A simple switch can provide a logic high or a logic low. Voltages are used to represent logic values. Voltages are used to represent logic values. A voltage present called VCC or VDD equal to 1. 0 volts or ground, that is called ground, or VSS equal to 0. A simple switch can provide a logic high or logic 0. Logic high or logic 0. Logic high or logic 0. Chinni, logic high or logic 0. A simple switch provides a logic value. A simple switch provides a logic value. See here, VCC in top of the circuit and ground is in bottom. VCC is started, then we get the output as VCC only. Here if we connect that switch to the ground, we get the value 0. If VCC, we want to come in outside, we want to take that switch to the VCC form. If we connect to the ground, it will be getting 0. Okay, there are two ways to connect a switch, a simple switch. Simple switch provides a logic value. If you want to 1, it means we connect to the VCC. If you want 0, if we connect to the ground, that equal to 0. Here Boolean algebra to logic gates. Logic gates circuits are built from components called logic gates. Logic circuits are built from components called logic gates. Logic circuits are built from components called logic gates. The logic gates corresponds to Boolean operation. Logic gates corresponds to Boolean operation, that is OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. Here symbols also given. Please make a note of it. Most important one. What is the symbol of OR gate and what is the symbol of NOT gate? What is the symbol of AND gate? See, it is like OR gate structure is like that of a cap. Okay, you must draw like that only. Here it exists two inputs, maybe A, B, output is Y. It is denoted by the OR gate and it has replaced, OR gate is replaced by plus symbol. That is A plus B. Output is Y equal to A plus B. AND gate, that is, it is also having two inputs AB and output only one single Y. AB means it is AND gate and it is denoted by dot. That means Y equal to output Y equal to A into B. Output Y equal to A into B. Okay. Next one is NOT gate. That is, we want to present a arrow mark and we want to apply it a bubble. That is nothing but the NOT gate. It is represented by the bar. Here input is only one. A means output is Y. So Y equal to A bar. If we given A equal to 0, Y equal to 1. If A equal to 1, Y equal to 0. Okay. Please make a note of it. OR gate symbol, AND gate symbol and NOT gate symbol. AB are inputs and we get the OR gate as Y equal to A plus B. If for AND gate, Y equal to A into B. For NOT gate, Y equal to A bar. Next, OR gate. Two or more inputs and only one output is nothing but OR gate. It performs logic OR operation. Two or more inputs and only one output. It performs logic OR operation is nothing but the OR gate. Here I have given the OR gate symbol. Please make a note of it, most important one. It consists of two inputs AB and one output Y. Y equal to A plus B output. Please draw the symbol. Boolean expression Y equals to A or B, that equal to Y equal to A plus B. IEEE symbol also given. Two inputs and middle system has greater than or equal to 1 and single output. Okay, it is IEEE symbol. Indian Institute of Electrical and Electronics engineering symbol. Here OR function, here I have given the, here I have taken 4 inputs because we have 2 variables. 2 variable means we get the 4 input, that is 2 power 2 equal to 4. That is, if we give 2 zeros to that, according to our equation y equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0. That means both the inputs are 0, means we get the output also 0. If we give 0 and 1, we get the output 0 plus 1 equal to 1. If both the inputs are different, that may be 0 and 1, we get the output 1. For when we are giving 1 0 to the input as a input to the OR gate, we get the value 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Next one is, when we are giving inputs as 1 1, we get the output 1 plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, here I have given, it is in a open closed switch format also. Please make a note of it. OR function using switches. 0 0 input means 0. That means we are open the all the switches, we get the output also 0. If we make one input 0 and other input 1, that means 0 input will be open and 1 input will be closed. We get the output 1. Next, one input is 0, one input is 1 and one input is 0 means, other input is 0 means 1, whatever the input 1 is nothing but open closed switch and 0 is open switch, we get the output 1. When we given both the inputs 1 1, then we get the output 1. That is, both the inputs we are giving, that is switches are, both the switches are closed, then we get the output 1. Okay, we are showing it in parallel circuit form, or use or function using switches. Okay, OR function using switches, I have given the diagram also here in parallel form. A, B are the input switches, and V is the voltage given plus minus. It is a cell, and we have given a LED bulb to it also. Input logic levels, it is switch. Logic 0 means open and off. Logic 1 means close and on. Output logic levels, that is lamp, that is LED lamp, that is logic 0 means off state and logic 1 means on state. Here we are taking two switches, switch A, switch B, and lamp is 1. Okay, if both the switch are open, that is 0 0, we get the output for lamp is 0. When both the switches are open, output is 0, that is off condition. If one is open and other is closed, output is on, that is logic 1, lamp will be glown. If one is closed and other is open, lamp will be on condition only. If one is closed and other is closed, lamp will be in on condition. Okay, open off, open close on, close open on, close on. Okay, please make a note of it. OR function using switches. We don't need this one. Now definition of OR gate. If the output is high, if any one or all inputs are high. If the output is high, if any or all inputs are high. The output is low when all the inputs are low. If output is high, if any or all the inputs are high. If the output is low when all the inputs are low. Now OR operation. Determine the output. Input 0 0. We get the output y equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Output is 0. 0 0 means 0. Next, for OR gate operation, we are giving the input 0 1. Y equal to 0 plus 1 means 1. Output is 1. Next, if the input is 1 0, we get the output y equal to 1 plus 0. It is equal to 1. Next, if the inputs are 1 1, we get the output y equal to 1 plus 1. It is 1. Next, truth table. Truth table shows all the input and output possibilities of a logic circuit. Truth table shows shows all the input and output possibilities of logic circuit, that is input AB. Here inputs are 2 1, that may be variables AB are the two inputs. We want to give the inputs are 4 input, that is 2 power 2 is 4, 0 0 that is 0, 0 1 that is 1, that is 1 0 it is 2, 1 1 it is 3. That is 0 0 it is 0, 0 1 it is 1, 1 0 it is 2, 1 1 it is 3. Now we are giving the input 0 0 to the OR gate, we get the output y equal to a plus b is 0. If we give 0 1, we get the output 1. If we give 1 0, we get the output 1. If we give 1 1, we get the output 1. Okay, kindly note the truth table. It will be also a important question. It can be given in your examinations also. Please note down the truth table. Truth table means it shows all the input output possibilities of a logic circuit. Input output possibilities of a logic circuit. Okay, all of you written. Next, AND gate. 2 or more inputs and only one output is nothing but the AND gate. 2 or more inputs and only one output. It performs logic and operation. It performs logic and operations. It performs logic and operations. If all the inputs are high, outputs is high. In this, correct definition is if all the inputs are high, output is high. If any one of the input is low, output is low. If any one of the output is low, output is low. 2 or more inputs and only one output. It performs logic and operation. It performs logic and operations. If all the inputs are high, output is high. If any input is low, output is low. Indicate symbol. Here inputs are AB and output is y equal to A into B. Boolean expression y equal to A and B, that equal to A into B, that is AB. Here I have given the IEEE symbol for also 1 2 dash 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 n, in between ampersand symbol, that is equal to y. Okay, please note down the symbol and place the inputs and outputs also, and write down the Boolean expression. It is also important question. It can be come in your examination also. Okay, please make a note of it. Okay, completed. Next one, AND function using switches, series circuit. Here already we done OR gate function using switches, then we are using the parallel circuit, but for AND condition we are using the series circuit. Here I have taken two switches, A, B, and one cell, that is plus minus voltage cell, and a lamp also. Here one switch is switch A, other switch is switch B, and one lamp is act as an output Y. When both the switches are open, lamp will be off. If one switch is open, other is closed, lamp will be off. One is closed and other is open, it is off. If both the switches are closed, it is in on condition, lamp is in on condition. End function using switches. Series circuit, we have two switches, switch A and switch B, and one battery, that is plus minus battery, and a lamp for output, checking the output. Here I have given the truth table also. Switch A, switch B, and lamp. Switch A is open and switch B is open, the lamp will be off. If switch A is open and switch B is closed, lamp will be off. If switch A is closed and switch B is open, lamp will be off. If switch A is closed and switch B is closed, lamp will be on. Okay, end function using switches. Here I have drawn the series circuit for end function. Here when we given the input 0 0, we get the output 0, that is 0 is the 0 0 is the input, y equal to 0 into 0, that equal to 0. See here two switches are open, we get the output 0, that is open, lamp will be off. Next, when both the inputs are, that is one input is 0, other input is 1, we get the output 0 into 1 equal to 0. If one switch is open and other switch is closed, output will be off condition. If one switch is, if one of the input is 1 and other is 0, then we get the output y equal to 1 into 0, that equal to 0. If one is closed and other is open, we get the output also, output in off condition. Next, last one, when both the inputs are high, that is 1 1, we get the output y equal to 1 into 1, that equal to 1, that equal to 1. If both the switches are closed, output will be closed, that is on condition, bulb is in on condition. Please make a note of it, and function using switches. Okay, completed. Next one, end gate operation. If both the inputs are 0, output is y equal to 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Next, if one of the input is 0 and other is 1, that is y equal to 0 into 1, that equal to 0. If one of the input is 1 and other is 0, 1 into y equal to 1 into 0 equal to 0. If both the inputs are 1, output is y equal to 1. AND gate operation. Here I have given that operation in a truth table form also. Here we have two input, that is input variables, that is we want to give the 4 inputs to the gate, AND gate, that is 2 1 is the input, that is code for 2 inputs is 2 1. For first one is 0, that is 0 0 is the input, we get the output y equal to a into b, that equal to 0. Next one is 1 0 1, that is y equal to 0 into 1, that is 0. Next one is 2, that is 1 0, y equal to 1 into 0, that equal 0. Next y equal to, next 1 1, it is 3, that is y equal to 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. See, make a note of it, truth table of AND gate, most important one, truth table of AND gate. Okay, completed. Inputs are AB, output is y equal to AB, A into B. 0 0 means 0, 0 1 means 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1. It is not important. Next, NOT gate. It has only one input and only one output. The output is always the complement of its input. Output is always the complements of input. Output is always the complement of input. The NOT function is often called inverter. The NOT function is often called inverter. The NOT function is often called inverter. It is used for generating the ones complement also. NOT function is also used for generating the ones complement. NOT function is often used for generating the ones complement. NOT gate means it has only one input and one output. The output is always the complement of its input. The NOT function is often called inverter. NOT function is often called inverter. It is used for generating the ones complement. It is used for generating the ones complement. Next, NOT logic symbol. Please make a note of it. Most important one, NOT logic symbol. Input A given to the NOT gate, we get the output A bar. If the input is 1, output is 0. If the input is 0, output is 1. Okay, NOT gate logic symbol. Make a note of it. Please draw the symbol in your notebook. NOT logic symbol. That is, if the input is 1, we get the output 0. If the input is 0, we get the output 1. See, if we give the input 0 to the NOT, we get the output 1. If we give input 1 to the NOT gate, we get the output 0. Here NOT gate truth table is given, input A, output A bar. Here we are using only one single code, that is 1. 1 means we get the inputs, that is 2 power 1 equal to 2. Here first one is 0, second one is 1. 0 means 0, 1 means 1. If we give input 0 to the NOT gate, we get the output y equal to A bar equal to 1. If we give input A equal to 1, we get the output y equal to A bar equal to 0. Please make a note of it, not of the truth table, not truth table. It is also important, NOT gate truth table. NOT gate truth table. NOT gate truth table, that is input A 0, output A bar 1, input A 1, output A bar 0. Summary, we have discussed about the symbol, operation, truth tables of basic gates. Next, some more examples of gates. Here 3 input OR gate and n input OR gate, 3 input AND gate and n input AND gate. Please draw the diagrams also, most important one. If we use the 3 input OR gate means we can draw this one. If we give n input OR gate means we can draw this one. If we give 3 input AND gate, we can draw that diagram. If we give n input AND gate means we can draw this diagram. Please make a note of it. Next quiz. The maximum number of input possibles for 4 input OR gate is. The maximum number of possible input possibilities of 4 input OR gate is A 20, B 16, C 12, D 8. A 20, B 16, C 12, D 8. That means we get 2 power 4, that is 16. Answer for first one is B 16. That is maximum number of input possibilities for 4 input OR gate is B 16. Second one, a certain 3 input logic gate has 3 inputs A equal to 1, B equal to 0 and C equal to 0. If its output Y equal to 1, then the gate is. If a certain 3 input logic gate has 3 inputs, A equal to 1, B equal to 0 and C equal to 0. If its output Y equal to 1, then the gate is. A NAND only, B AND only, and C OR only, D either NAND or OR. 1 into 0 into 0 is 0 kada. 0 plus 1 plus 1 1 అవుతుంది. అదే ఆర్ తీసుకుంటే 1 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 1. That is answer D, either NAND or OR. A certain 3 input logic gate has 3 inputs, that is A equal to 1, B equal to 0, C equal to 0. If its output Y equal to 1, then the gate is D, either NAND or NOR. Next, in a 4 input NAND AND gate, the total number of high inputs for 16 input states are. In a 4 input AND gate, the total number of high inputs for 16 input states. Okay, I will do it for you. Please wait for you. Here it is given the 4 input AND gate. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 sorry 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. These are the input states of 4 input AND gate. We get the value that Y equal to A into B into C into D, that is Y equal to 0. Next, for this also 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. That is, in a 4 input AND gate, the total number of high outputs for 16 input states is equal to D. It is the answer, that is 1. For a 4 input AND gate, the total number of high outputs for 16 input states are equal to 1. D is the answer. Next, IEEE symbol represents dash gate. A OR, B AND, C NAND, D NOR. By viewing this symbol, it is D NOR. Because greater than or equal to 1, it is the symbol for OR, but it has a bubble, so it is NOR. IEEE symbol represents the dash gate is D NOR. Frequently asked question, that is, draw and explain the symbol, truth table and operation of basic gates. Draw and explain this symbol, truth table and operation of basic gates. Write down in your notebooks clearly. First gate is OR gate. Okay, write down that OR gate. Now first draw the diagram for OR gate. Okay, it is in a cap form. It has 2 inputs, A, B, and 1 output Y. Y equal to A plus B. Okay. Now truth table, A, B are inputs and Y is the output. Here A, B means you have using the code 2 1, that is 2 power 2 equal to 4. Inputs are 4, 0, that is 0 0 for 1, that is 0 1 for 2, 1 0 for 3, 1 1 are the inputs. We get the output y equal to a into a plus b, that is 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 1. By seeing this, if both the inputs are low, output will be low. If both the inputs are high and different, we get the outputs high. These are the two definition for OR gates. If both the inputs are low, output will be low. If both the inputs are high and both the inputs are different, we get the output high. It has only two inputs and only one output. AB is the input and we get the output y equal to a plus b. Okay, first gate completed. Second one is AND gate. First draw the diagram. AND gate. AB is the input and y is the output, y equal to a into b. Okay, now truth table. AB is the inputs and y is the output, a into b. Okay, write down clearly. It will be useful in your examinations also. Here inputs are 2, so input variables are 2. Then we get the inputs 4, 0 1 2 3. Code is 2 1 code. 0 0 is the input, 0 1 is other input, 1 0 is other input, and 1 1 is one other input. For 0 0 it is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 2, 1 1 is 3. Okay, here for getting the output for 0 0, it is 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. It means if both the inputs are high, output will be high. One indicate. 1 minute. If both the inputs are high, output will be high. If both the inputs are low and different, output will be low. If both the inputs are low and different, then output will be low. If both the inputs are high, output will be high. Okay, it has two inputs AB and only one single output y equal to a into b. Now last one, NOT gate. NOT gate means here it has symbol, arrow symbol, and at the tip of that arrow we have a bubble. Here only one input and only one output. Input is A, output is Y, that equal to A bar. Here input is complement of, for output is complement of its input. If we give 0 to the input and we get the output 1, if we give input 1, we get the output 0. Truth table is A is the input and Y is the output. Only one input and only one output. Here code is 1, we get the inputs 0 1, that is 0 1. If we give 0 to the input, that we get the output 1. If we give input 1, we get the output 0. Okay, it is NOT gate. Next, other important question is how many basic gates are there? Basic logic gates are 3 types. First one, AND gate. Second one, OR gate. Third one, NOT gate. Next, how many universal gates are there? What are they? Universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. Next question is, how many special gates are there? What are they? Special gates are XOR gate and XNOR gate. XOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay. First of all, first question it will be asked is, draw and explain the symbol, truth table and operation of basic gates. Okay. Next question is, what are the logic gates and you derive them. Okay. Logic gates are of 3 types. They are OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. Second one, what is meant by universal gates. Universal gates are two types. They are NAND and NOR. Next question is, what is meant by special gates? Special gates are XOR and XNOR. Next one is, what is the definition for logic gate? It is also important. One more question. Please make a note of it. I will inform you now. Logic gate. A digital circuit with one or more inputs and only one output is nothing but a logic gate. A digital circuit, write down please. A digital circuit with one or more inputs and but only one output is nothing but a logic gate. It performs logical operation on one or more logic inputs. It performs logic operation on one or more logical inputs and produces single logic output. Gates are often called logic circuit. Logic gates are also called logic circuits. Okay, here I have given the types of logic gates. Once again repeating, logic gates are divided into three types. First one, basic gates. Second one, universal gate. Third one, derived gates, that is complex gates or special gates. Derived gates కావచ్చు as well as complex gates or special gates. Basic gates are three types. They are OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. Universal gates are of two types, NAND gate and NOR gate. Next, derived gates, complex gates or special gates are two types. They are XOR and XNOR. XOR and XNOR. Now basic gates are three types. They are OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. Most important one is a voltage present called VCC or VDD. Voltage when it is present, that is represented by two types, that is VCC or VDD, that equal to 1. If voltage is present, that equal to 1. If voltage is not present, that is 0 volts or ground, that is called GND or VSS, that equal to 0. Simply switch can provide a logic high or logic low value. See here, a switch is given, a logic high voltage is present, that is VCC, and ground is also present, VSS. Here switch is connected to VCC, then we get the output VCC or logic 1. If switch is connected to the ground, we get the output ground or 0. There are two ways to connect a switch. One is on switch, then is off switch. Okay, here I have given the three diagrams for logic gates. Basic logic gate, that is OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate, as well as the symbols representation of the logic gate or symbols for the logic gate. Logic circuits are built from components called logic gates. Logic circuits are built from components called logic gates. Please note down the diagrams for logic gates. Inputs AB and outputs Y. Okay, please make a note of it. Next, OR gate means two or more inputs and only one output. It performs logic OR operation. Okay, inputs are AB and output Y equal to A plus B. Next, IEEE symbol of logic OR gate is also given. Please note down it. IEEE symbol and normal symbol also. If you want to, if you draw means leave it. If you don't draw, please draw the diagram. Next one is truth table of OR gate. Here operation also given, that is output is high if any or all inputs are high. Output is low when all the inputs are low. Clearly you want to hear, that is if output is high if any or all inputs are high. If output is low when all the inputs are low. If output is low when all the inputs are low. Okay. Next, truth table, that is inputs AB and output Y equal to A plus B. 0 0 is the input, Y equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0. If 0 1 is the input, then Y equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Next, 1 0 is the input, that is 1 plus 0 equal to 1. If 1 1 is the input, then y equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 1. Next, AND gate. 2 or more inputs and only one output. It performs logic AND operations. If all the inputs are high, output is high. If any input is low, output is low. See, if both the inputs are high, output is high. If any one of the input is low, output is low. It is the definitions for AND gate and operation of AND gate. It is a diagram for symbol for logic gate AND, logic AND. AB is the input and output y equal to A into B. IEEE symbol also given. Please make a note of it. Most important one. Okay, next. Truth table of AND gate. That is inputs AB, output y equal to A into B. If input 0 0, it is y equal to A into B equal to 0 into 0 equal to 0. If inputs are 0 1, that is y equal to AB equal to 0 into 1 equal to 0. If input is 1 0, that is y equal to 1 into 0 equal to 0. If input is 1 1, that is y equal to 1 into 1 equal to 1. Okay, it is a truth table. Next, NOT gate. It has one input and one output. The output is always the complement of its input. NOT function is also called inverter, used for generating one's complement. NOT gate is used for generating one's complement. Output is always the complement of its input. Okay, this is logic symbol. Input is A, it is output is y equal to A bar. If the input is 1, output is 0. If the input is 0, output is 1. Okay, truth table. That is input A, output A bar. If the input is 0, output y equal to A bar equal to 1. If the input is A, output y equal to A bar equal to 0. Okay. Now quiz. Maximum number of input possibilities for 4 input OR gate is B, 16. Next, a certain 3 input logic gate has 3 inputs, A equal to 1, B equal to 0 and C equal to 0. If its output y equal to 1, then the gate is D, either NAND or OR. Either NAND or OR. If in a 4 input AND gate, the total number of high outputs for 16 input states are that equal to D, 1. Total number of high outputs for 16 input states are only 1. Next, IEEE symbol represents which gate? The symbol is also given. It is C, NAND gate. Okay. Frequent last question, most important question. Draw and explain the symbol, truth table and operation of basic gates. It is given in examination for 5 to 8 times. Please make a note of it and be prepared for the exam. If you have any doubt, you can call me or WhatsApp me. Thank you for hearing my class.